Ulta sale is better than Sephora. Maybe. It pains me to say that, as Sephora is my favorite store, but like Ulta is coming for Sephora. And guess who wins in this competition? Us, as consumers. So as you know, if you've been watching my channel, the Sephora sale is currently going on where you can get up to 20% off, but you have to be the top tier, meaning spending a certain amount of money per year at Sephora. So you can either get 20% off, which the vast majority of people are not Rouge, so then you could also get 15 or 10% off. But Ulta is absolutely one-upping Sephora because they are having 20% off, no base tier necessary, 20% off 40 prestige brands. And there are quite a few crossovers of brands that are available at Sephora that you can get for 20% off at Ulta. And with it being Ulta and Ulta having a lot of different brands that Sephora doesn't have, they also have a good number of items that are up to 30% off. NYX is buy one, get one, 50% off. That one's not that good of a deal. I'm just reading off their website. But yeah, like 20% off Rare Beauty. We'll talk about the brands, but I've gotten a lot of comments from you guys asking me to cover and compare the Ulta sale versus the Sephora sale. And I mean, it's a lot of brands, a lot of different items on sale. It's difficult to do a direct by direct comparison, but I've gone through the Ulta website, shared with you the crossover of my Sephora recommendations that you can get for 20% off of Ulta. And then also just a few additional items I would recommend shopping for the Ulta sale, all that good stuff. I'll have everything that I put together linked down below for you guys. But yeah, especially if you are not Rouge at Sephora, look into the Ulta sale. Seriously, they have some amazing items. So when you go to the Ulta website, this is what you'll see. 20% off 40 prestige brands. Buy one, get one, 50% off NYX. Another deal they're having is 20% off Rare Beauty. What else? You also get this gift with the $21.50 brand purchase. Ulta Beauty collection has some decent items, but I haven't tried a bunch. Also, you can get up to 30% off stuff. But I'm gonna go here to the 40 brands. So if you do brands here are the full list of the 40 brands that are on sale. And here are some of the great ones from Sephora. ABH, Bare Minerals, Benefit, Bobbi Brown, Charlotte Tilbury. If you are not Rouge, go to Ulta if you want anything from Charlotte Tilbury. Clarins, Clinique, Drunk Elephant, Estee Lauder, Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin. There's something from Fenty Skin that I'm going to share with you guys that I'm excited about. First Aid, Hourglass, Ilia, It, Kiehl's, Lancome, even all of that expensive skincare, you guys. Laura Mercier, MAC, Milk, NARS, Ulla Henriksen, Rare Beauty, Tarte, Tatcha, Too Faced, Urban Decay. All of those are brands that I've talked about plenty on my channel that you can get 20% off at Ulta if you are not Rouge. Just so you know. I cannot believe Charlotte Tilbury is included in this and NARS. Those are the two that I am like, wow. So this is what you guys are going to see in the description box. It's just my document that I've put together. So here are the brands that if you click on this, it's going to take you directly to the brand page if you've been wanting anything specific from these brands. I don't have this crazy list, but these are all of my Sephora recommendations that I put in my recommendations for the Sephora sale that have crossed over and is also 20% off at Ulta. So if you wanted any of these items that I recommended and you're not Rouge, stop right there, head your butt over to the Ulta website. I also have some other recommendations that either are only available at Ulta or they're just my all-time favorites. And again, if you're not Rouge, it would pain me not to mention these as an option. And then I also have a little 30% off section. There's a lot more for 30% off. I just did a quick little gander on the website and just added a few things. But first, let's talk about my Sephora recommendations. First things first, this was in my Sephora recommendations. The IT Cosmetics Hydrating Moisturizer, super thick, super hydrating, got me through my pregnancy, dry skin, got me through the winter. I showed in my recommendations video, it was completely empty. So So that's 20% off. The brand new Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Blur Concealer. That's a full coverage concealer that it feels like wears really well and is also more beautiful on the face than the actual foundation version of this. I just put a few dots and spread it out. I'm not giving long explanations because I did put this in my Sephora recommendations, but that was on the list that you can get for 20% off at Ulta. The MAC Glow Play Cushiony Blushes. So MAC was new at Sephora, so that's why I recommended some MAC things, but MAC is also at Ulta, and I'm actually wearing the shade Ginger Luck on my cheeks right now. I'll have everything also that I'm wearing linked down below because some of the stuff is what I picked up during the Sephora savings event, but if it's available at Ulta, I'll have them linked to Ulta. So I have Ginger Luck Glow Play Blush on right now from MAC. I'm also wearing like Rare Beauty bronzer, Urban Decay mascara. Take a look in the description box because some of this stuff is at Ulta, even though I'm wearing like my Sephora stuff. Anyways, love this blush. Also recommended this. This is one of the most unique liquid blushes on the market right now from MAC, the Strobe Beam Liquid Blushes, and they have some of the most gorgeous shades. And I've been loving the Urban Decay liquid stick eyeliner. It's a super rich, pigmented, but very creamy eyeliner that sets down and lasts really, really well. And then again, with MAC being new at Sephora, I recommended the regular MAC lip pencils as well. So those are the items that I literally had on my recommendations list, not knowing that Ulta was gonna have this sale. So those are some of those crossover items. I did also want to mention just a few other items that I couldn't help myself since these are all 20% off. Dibs Beauty is not at Sephora, and I love their Desert Island Duo Blush and Bronzer Sticks. They're extremely creamy. I love the 2-in-1 option. It just makes it so much easier, and their shades are gorgeous. So I was excited about this, and this you cannot get at Sephora. This is my favorite foundation brush from IT Cosmetics. While I don't mention it in every video, I basically use it in every single video. I use this brush every single day, the number 7 brush. So I wanted to share my favorite foundation brush that I only don't mention because I would be mentioning it too much if I mentioned it every time I used it. But I wanted to share this staple with you since it's from IT. Need I say more? This is my number 1 all-time favorite moisturizer. I recommended the IT Cosmetics. It's a bit thicker, so I prefer it for nighttime. This Kiehl's is just my number 1 favorite all-time moisturizer. My family and friends fight over this when I get it in PR. And again, it's another one of those things where every other Sephora sale, I'll recommend it because it's still a favorite of mine. It hurts me not to mention it every single time. So, favorite moisturizer, all-time favorite number 1 most used, daily used eyebrow gel that I recommend also every Sephora savings event. Guess what? Rare Beauty is now at Ulta, okay? So you can get this for 20% off. And also the new eyeshadow palette, I haven't tried it, I haven't seen it in person, but it is only available at Ulta, by the way, if you were interested in that. And I'm currently wearing their new bronzer. Is that at, that might be a Sephora exclusive from what I can see. It looks like they don't have absolutely everything. I think there's certain Sephora and Ulta exclusives. So not the bronzer, scratch that. Also want to recommend my favorite curl line is 30% off, and it's already so affordable. I love the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk line, but it is 30% off. So I'm actually gonna order restocks of a bunch of this stuff. I just love, love, love this whole line. I used to recommend often the Defining Curl Cream. That one's not my favorite anymore. It weighs my curls down now as my hair texture has changed over the years, so that's kind of an update on that. But the Curl Activating Mousse I love. The Curl Refreshing Foam, I don't see it here, but it is 30% off. That is my number 1 favorite second, third day refreshing curl cream. In fact, I find it makes my hair look better than the first day. So I use a heavier curling cream. I usually use the Fenty Hair, so you can also probably get that for 20% off their curl cream on day 1. And then any day after that, I'm still wearing my hair curly, I refresh with Not Your Mother's Refreshing Curling Foam. I have it linked down below for you guys. It's the best. So I'm gonna pick up a few things from this line. 30% off. 30% off. Okay. The classic NARS Radiant Concealer, 20% off. I really am just mentioning this because the entirety of the NARS brand is 20% off, which is incredible. This foundation is one of my all-time favorites. I love their blushes, of course. This Soft Matte Complete Concealer is amazing. So I am honestly shocked that NARS is 20% off, that it's included in this. This Afterglow lip balm is pretty good. I wore it the other day. I really, really enjoyed it. So that's exciting. And then I wanted to mention this. I was going to put this on my Sephora recommendations video, but I couldn't because they don't sell this at Sephora. So I was so excited to see that they had it at Ulta because this was going on my recommendations video. So this is the Fenty Skin. It's just an all over body mist, green raspberry. It's so, so good. If you are a fan of like the nostalgic Victoria's Secret body sprays, this reminds me of one of the ones that I had growing up that I put all over myself and suffocated myself with, but in a good way. Like in a, I can handle it as I'm a older woman now. I'm almost 30, but it gives me that nostalgia. It smells so good and fruity. I'm not very good at descriptions, so how do they say it? The notes are raspberry nectar, blackberry delight, and sugared rose, and yeah, that's exactly what you'd expect from this. It is my favorite. I also have vanilla flowers, which is nice, but in my opinion, it does not touch green raspberry. This is the one that I was most excited to recommend to you because I wanted to recommend it for the Sephora sale. If you like those younger, sweeter, fruity scents, this smells amazing. So anyways, those are some additional recommendations. I do have a few 30% off recommendations. There's a lot more for 30% off. I'll scroll over it quickly, but a lot of select items from Morphe are 30% off, like brows. They also have this under eye corrector, but what I really wanted to point out where the single brushes are 30% off, and this line from Morphe is amazing. They are so, so soft. They remind me a lot of the BK Beauty brushes, if you're familiar, but maybe even softer. They're so high quality. These are the best affordable brushes that you can get, and they're still like kind of expensive, but with the 30% off, I would call these affordable for sure. So if you've been wanting to re-up on your brushes, this Morphe line of brushes is incredible. This is the M106. It's just a different color. Right here, you'll see it. Love this brush. They also have the Shapelifter Micro Contour Stick on sale, which is amazing. This angled blush brush is incredible for powder blush. This paddle powder brush, the M163, one of my favorites for bronzer. They even have the Buttery Blends collection here, the yellow handles. These are the best affordable brushes you can get. So wanted to mention those. And then one of my all-time favorite products from Morphe is their Cloudlight Soft Glow Veil Finishing Powder. It is incredible. It is glowy. It's like an hourglass powder with a little bit more pigment. So there's some more versatility with it. You can highlight with it. I'll put it all over my face to work like an hourglass powder. I have the deepest shade that I use as bronzer. I love this product. I cannot believe it's only $17 and you can get it for $12 because it acts like it's $50. I'm not even kidding. So I love this veil finishing powder, but I'll use it for absolutely everything. So I wanted to mention that. I did mention the Not Your Mother's sale. This is what I was talking about, the Curl Refreshing Foam. That's under the 30% section in the description box. So, so good. That's my refresher, but they also have little deals as well, like 25% off La Roche-Posay, 20% off of Anua currently. So I have a couple, like 3 different skincare routines that I'm doing depending on what bathroom I'm doing my skincare in. So if I say I'm currently using this, it means it's in one of my bathrooms as one of my skincare routines. I'm currently using the Soothing Toner from Anua. I like Anua. It's a really nice Korean skincare brand. 20% off Touchland, 25% off CeraVe.
What?
MAC, Charlotte Tilbury, Tarte, just all kinds of deals going on. If you go here to the 30% off, this isn't 30% off, is it? But they do have some stuff at 30% off. Anyways, it's just one of those things. Ulta is very overwhelming. They have so many products and so many brands, so you're going to have to take a look for yourself. But if you want a little, look at my daughter. Her name is not Calamari. That's our nickname for her. She got her hand out of her dang swaddle. She kills me. Anyway. Yeah, this is what you're gonna see in the description box if you just need a little bit of guidance, because I know the Ulta sale can be overwhelming. So all of the brands that are at Sephora that I like, I've listed here. My recommendations from Sephora that are at Ulta are right here. Just random other recommendations that I didn't recommend during the Sephora sale, but I do recommend during the Ulta sale, and then just a few 30% off items that I really like. So you guys asked for it, my honest opinion on the Sephora versus Ulta sale. There are pros and cons to both, absolutely. If you are not rouge at Sephora and some of the items that you wanted from certain brands are on sale at Ulta, oh my gosh, the Ulta sale is so much better. That said, only 6 items from my Sephora recommendations were available at Ulta. There's a lot of brands that are on sale at Sephora that are not on sale at Ulta, like Dior, Patrick Ta, Makeup by Mario, House Labs. So do keep that in mind, that there's a lot of my favorite brands that are still only on sale at Sephora. So I think you need to take a look at your list, your wants, and decide from which place you would prefer to order. It just depends on your wish list. Most of my recommendations actually are not in the Ulta sale. So I just think with these brands going head to head right now, trying to one up each other, I think we're winning in the end. So I have no complaints. I also did see some of you guys might have gotten an additional 10% off coupon in your email. So check that out, because that sweetens the deal even more for Ulta as well. And keep in mind, the Ulta sale ends sooner. It's going to end April 18th. So if you see anything that catches your eye, there's only a few more days. The Sephora sale is going to run until the 20th, and those are my thoughts. I am super impressed that Ulta is stepping up and really getting competitive here with Sephora. Couldn't be any more obvious. Ulta has a lot more sales throughout the year. Typically, they have a better point system, I would say, than Sephora. So if you want to rack up your points at Ulta, definitely recommend taking advantage of that. But really exciting stuff. I love talking sales. This is technically, it used to be called my bargain or bust series. I would definitely say the Ulta sale is a bargain, and happy shopping. I'll have the links to everything down below for you guys. Let me know your opinions on the two sales, which one is better, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys, have a good one.
It's delicious.